Stop scrolling. Right now, while most people are busy wasting time online, others are turning AI into cash machines. Some are making $500 a day, some $10,000 a month, all starting from zero. The question is, why not you? If you've ever wanted to build wealth, invest smartly, and escape the 9-to-5 rat race, keep watching, because I'm going to show you exactly how people are growing their money in 2025, using AI and smart investing. Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while the rest keep struggling? It's not just luck. It's strategy. The biggest secret? They know how to make their money work for them. And now, with AI and technology, this secret is no longer hidden. Anyone, yes, even you, can start with little money and grow it massively. But how? Let's break it down. Right now, we're living through the biggest financial shift in history. AI is changing everything. From stock trading to real estate, from side hustles to long-term investments. According to Bloomberg, AI-driven trading is already managing over $1 trillion in assets. People who learn these tools early are making serious profits. For example, a guy named James from California started with just $100 and used AI tools like ChatGPT and stock prediction models to study trends. Within 6 months, he turned $100 into $5,000 by trading small-cap tech stocks. Another case, a college student in India used AI-driven crypto analysis tools and made 4x returns on Ethereum during the bull run. This is happening everywhere. If you want to build wealth and grow on YouTube or online, you must focus on topics that pay the most. Here are a few. Stock market investing, CPM 2050+. Real estate investing, CPM 3080. AI money tools and passive income, CPM 2570. Online business and side hustles, CPM 2060. Retirement and wealth planning, CPM 4100+. Advertisers pay premium rates for these niches because people searching for them are serious about money. That's exactly why the YouTube channel you're watching, AI Money Empire, is here to help you tap into these high-paying, high-opportunity spaces. Stock investing. Using AI screeners like FinViz, TradingView, or ChatGPT plugins to identify undervalued companies and trending stocks before they pop. Crypto and Web3, not gambling, but using AI bots to track big wallet moves and new token launches. YouTube and content creation. Finance channels with just 50K subscribers can make $5,000, $15,000 a month due to high CPM, versus gaming channels making only $500 with same views. Real estate. AI-powered property analysis helps small investors find undervalued rentals with higher ROI. Even freelancers are earning by selling AI-powered finance tools and stock research reports on Fiverr and Upwork, making $2K, $5K a month as a side hustle. Here's the simple game plan if you're starting today. Pick one money-making model, like stock investing, digital side hustles, or finance content creation. Use AI tools to speed up research and cut risks. They don't replace you, but they give you an edge. Focus on high-income markets, US, UK, Canada, where advertisers pay big for financial audiences. Be patient but consistent. Wealth doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategy, 6 to 12 months can change your life. Now you know what's possible. The question is, will you take action or let this moment pass? If you want step-by-step tips to start your own AI-powered money journey, hit that like button right now, subscribe to AI Money Empire, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next video, where I'll show exactly how to go from $0 to $1,000 a month online using AI and smart investing. Let's build. Now you know what's possible. The question is, will you take action or let this moment pass? If you want step-by-step tips to start your own AI-powered money journey, hit that like button right now, subscribe to AI Money Empire, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next video, where I'll show exactly how to go from $0 to $1,000 a month online using AI and smart investing.